Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. Today we will start a new poem, that is I Like Little Pussy. Okay, it's a poem written by Jane Taylor. So it's a beautiful poem. The writer is telling that he liked little pussy and what is the reason why he is liking that little pussy. Okay, so you can also take page number 45 and I will read out the poem. You can look at the textbook and understand how to pronounce some of the words and how to read the poem. Okay, I like little pussy. I like little pussy. Her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she'll do me no harm. So I'll not pull her tail, nor drive her away. But pussy and I very gently will pay, and shall sit by my side, and I will give her some food, and she'll love me because I am gentle and good. Who is telling all these things? The writer, the poet is telling who is the poet? Poet is Jane Taylor. So Jane Taylor is telling that he likes little pussy. What is the reason why he likes little pussy? Do you know? Because he likes little pussy. The reason is that her coat is so warm. Coat means here the pussy's feather. Okay. So the writer says here, I like little pussy. The reason why I like it that her coat is so warm. The coat means the feather of the cat. Okay. When you touch also it is so soft, no? So we love to touch that the feather of the cat and pat him. Okay. So her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she'll do me no harm. What is the third line it is telling? The poet don't hurt her. The poet don't hurt her and not pull her tail. Okay, and she will not do me no harm. The poet says that if I don't hurt her or if I don't do any harm to that particular pussy, she will do me no harm. She also will not do me any harm, and I also won't do any harm to the pussy. So we are close friends, and so I will not pull her tail nor drive away, but pussy and I very gently will play. So we sit together and very gently move around the houses, and we will play. And I love little pussy. Who is telling this? The writer Taylor telling this. Okay. She shall sit by my side, and I will give her some food. After she will sit at my side, and I will give her some food to eat. And she will love me because I am gentle and good. Why? What's the reason pussy loved the poet, the writer? Because the writer won't do any harm to little pussy, and also he will not do any harm to the little pussy, and they both are close friends, and they very gently they move around in the house playing each other, and she will sit at her side, and the writer will give her some food to eat, and she will love me because I am so gentle and so good, so kind towards that little pussy. Okay, we will move on to the second stanza. I'll pat little pussy. Pat means here a gentle touch with the hand, patting, okay? And then she will purr, P-U-R-R. Purr means make a low, soft sound. Okay, the cat normally make a soft sound. Okay, when we pat the little pussy. So I will pat little pussy, and then she will purr, and thus show her thanks for my kindness towards her. So what is the reason why little pussy make the soft sound? The sound, the writer says that the little pussy is thanking the writer. Because what's the reason why it is thanking? Because the writer is patting little pussy. A gentle touch. He gives the little pussy the gentle touch on the body of the little pussy, and then she will purr, then she will make a soft voice, and the writer is thinking that it is the little pussy is thanking him for his kindness. I will not pinch her ears nor tread on her paw. Pinch means press. Okay, you can tell that to press something, especially someone's skin. Okay, pinching, we say no. So, I will not pinch her. The writer says, I will not do any harm to the little pussy. I will not pinch her ear or nor tread. Tread means crush with the feet. Okay, on her paw, foot. So, the writer says that I will not pinch her on her ear, or neither I crush her feet on her paw. Okay, to use her sharp claw. So when the little pussy gets annoyed, do you know when the little cat get annoyed? When we do something to that little pussy. When you hurt her, when you pinch her, when you pull her tail, that will irritate her. So the writer says here, I will not do such harm to the little pussy. So I love the little pussy, and little pussy also love me. We are friends. Okay. I never vex her. Vex means cause to feel annoyed or irritated. I won't give any annoyance or any irritation to that little pussy. Okay, nor make her displeased. Pussy can't bear to be worried or teased. All these teasing and giving her, hitting or pulling her tail, the pussy cat can't bear. It gets irritated. So, the writer says that I will not do any harm to the little pussy, and I won't cause any kind of irritation or anger. So, we gently move around the house and play with each other, and I give her food, and I just pat on little pussy. So, a little pussy loves me and I love him, and also her coat is so warm. Okay, so very gently little pussy and the writer will play and also move around. Okay, that's the poem. Okay, so here there are some word meanings, difficult words I have written here. The first word is tread. Tread means press down or crush with the feet. The second word is provoke. Provoke means angry. And third word is vex. Cause to feel annoyed or worried. Okay, these are the difficult words. Okay, you understood the poem? I will explain to you once again what's the content of the poem. So you will understand more. I like little pussy. The first sentence is that I like little pussy. Means the writer Jane Taylor says that I love little pussy. The reason why I love is that her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. If I don't hurt her, I won't beat or I don't pull her tail or hit or teasing or don't pinch on her ear, she will not be doing any harm to me. So I will not pull her tail nor drive away, but pussy and I very gently will play. So I won't hurt the little pussy, and little pussy also won't hurt me. So we both are great friends, and we move around the houses playing with each other, and she shall sit at my side. She will be sitting at my side, and I will give her some food, and she loves me because I am so gentle and good. So the reason why the pussycat is so loving towards this writer is that the writer is so kind towards little pussy, so gentle towards little pussy, so little pussy love him. I'll pat little pussy. Pat means here touch gently with your hand. Patting. Okay. I'll pat little pussy, and then she will purr. Purr means making a soft noise. When I pat little pussy, she will make a so low soft voice. Thus show her thanks for my kindness. So the writer thinks that the pussycat is thanking him for his kindness. I will not pinch her ears nor tread on her paw, lest I would provoke her to use her sharp claw. I will not provoke or make her irritated. So thus she will not be irritated with me in any way. I will not pinch her ear or tread on her paw. Tread means here the word meaning is crush with feet. So I will not do such a kind of any irritation or any tension to the little pussy. So she is so good to me. In the last stanza we see, I never will vex her. Vex means cause to feel annoyed or worried. Okay. Nor make her displeased. For pussy can't bear to be worried or teased. So I will not do any harm to little pussy because she can't bear such kind of teasing or pinching or pulling her tail. So, for pussy can't bear to be worried or teased. So, I will be very careful to the little pussy, and I am very kind. I show my kindness, love towards pussy, and we both are great friends. Okay, this is the chapter 7, the poem Little Pussy. Okay, children, and your homework is you will be writing this 8 lines of the poem in your copy and learning it. Okay, and writing the word meanings in your copy. And question answer and the rest of the exercises I will be giving it in the PDF form. Okay, students, thank you for listening.